National Pharmacy Week is celebrated in the third week of November to recognize the powerful impact of pharmacists on the community and the world at large. It is an opportunity to raise awareness of the vital role that pharmacists play in the healthcare system. National Pharmacy Week acknowledges the invaluable contributions pharmacists make to patient care in hospitals, outpatient clinics, and other healthcare settings. And now, let's take a look at the history of pharmacy. The science of dispensing medicines in India dates back to over 3000 years. Ayurveda, a worldwide known practice, was worked upon by Charak and Sushruta in the Vedic period. This system is still widely used alongside the major allopathic system that came to India with the British rule. Slowly and steadily, pharmacy as a standard profession gained acknowledgement in India. Post-independence, India saw a series of laws being introduced that had a direct bearing on drugs and pharmacy. Drugs and Magic Remedies Act of 1954, Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 are amongst the most well-known acts. The first formal education of pharmacy began in Banaras Hindu University by Professor M.L. Shroff. In 1935, United Province Pharmaceutical Association was established, which later turned into the Indian Pharmaceutical Association. The Pharmacy Council of India was established in 1948. These steps proved to be crucial towards betterment of pharmacy profession in India. Now that we know about the history of pharmacy, let's understand why pharmacy has an important role to play in the healthcare sector.
Pharmacists are an integral part of the healthcare system. They strive to maximize positivity outcomes and have shown time and again their efficiency and importance in society. The researchers from the pharmaceutical industry work tirelessly to develop the vaccine and remedies for the coronavirus, right from identifying its structure to the development of a viable drug delivery system. Pharmacists also combated misinformation with patients by providing accurate alternative explanations in patient-friendly language. The expertise and knowledge of pharmacists extend to all the aspects that fall under the canopy of pharmacy. They impart valuable knowledge to the upcoming professionals who acquire a broad understanding of the scientific principles and techniques of the pharmaceutical sciences and the ability to keep pace throughout their careers with developments in medicine and pharmacy. Pharmacists work in a myriad of professional settings and play vital roles in all aspects of the healthcare system. Some of them are also appointed as drug inspectors who monitor the safety, utility, efficiency and quality of a drug from its manufacturing until its sale. Pharmacy is a wholesome profession as pharmacists reflection every sector of society in the form of artists, designing a drug dosage form, lawyer, having equitable knowledge about the legislation aspect of the pharmaceutical product, entrepreneur with fair understanding of management, marketing and innovation skills, health professional having reliable knowledge of health. Now that we have looked at the importance of pharmacy in the healthcare sector, let's learn about scope of pharmacy.
The scope of pharmacy ranges across multiple domains, from being the brains behind the formulation process to providing information and advice to those who prescribe or use pharmaceutical products. Research and development activities include the development of new drugs to the evaluation of existing products for alternative indications. Pharmaceutical manufacturers strive to manage production and operations at the industrial level. Pharmacovigilance focuses on analyzing the side effects of drugs. Regulatory affairs emphasizes on legislative and regulatory at each stage of product development. Analytical chemists are employed in quality assurance and quality control to test and ensure the quality of raw materials and the finished products. Due to the rapid growth of this industry, there is a high demand for qualified faculty members across numerous educational institutions. Pharmaceutical marketing sheds light on the business aspect that directs the flow of pharmaceutical services from producer to consumer. One with the efficient writing skills can build a career as a medical writer. Hospital and community pharmacists take on the role of dispensing prescriptions and deliver the services at the hospital and the local level respectively. While numerous people were confined to their homes to decrease the risk of COVID-19 transmission, pharmacy professionals were on the front line to ensure that the population had access to healthcare services and undertook the tedious task of minimizing the impact of the pandemic. They provided information for preventing and managing coronavirus infections, worked towards developing the vaccine, and delivered pharmaceutical care to the COVID-19 patients. This National Pharmacy Week, let's dispense a healthy dose of appreciation to a pharmacist or a technician for the important role they play in educating patients, promoting safe and effective use of medicines, and making a difference in patient care. We would like to thank Dr. Anand Shedge, mentor of the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Maharashtra State Branch Students Forum, and the Vice President of the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Maharashtra State Branch. He has been an exemplary and a visionary mentor. To work under your leadership is the most valuable work experience that anyone could hope for. Thank you so much, sir.